Okay, well, I thought I'd build some covers for my limit switches. Cover those up, keep the dust off them. I've cut all the plexi into the little squares that I need. And now we'll do a glue up. Got all this plexi free, just cut-offs. Matches the red of the CNC machine really well. So stay tuned. Okay, got my covers made. Came out okay. Kind of dressed it up. I don't have the screws on these yet. There's another one up here. But they're pretty solid. Slowly but surely, little things are coming together. So, thanks for watching.